everyone, welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. Today I am here with my friends Natalie and Danica. They are my videographers for today, and we are at a bone broth style Korean restaurant in Koreatown called Hanbat Seolleongtan. I think Koreans are the originators of bone broth, but in LA and other parts of the country, bone broth has become very popular, but Koreans are the OG. So before I get started with my meal, I am going to take my digestive enzymes because after all of this food, my stomach will not be feeling very good. So I'm gonna take it. I have charcoal, some other digestive enzymes, and something for carbohydrates. And I bring my special water from home.
What's in it?
It's ionized. It's ionized.
What is?
Basically, it actually hydrates you from the inside out. Okay, I'm ready to eat.
Ooh, I need some.
This tastes like how my mom used to make back in Baltimore, where I'm from.
They're gonna say Korea.
Me too.
Oh,
Korea. We all chose the beef brisket combo. So you can see there's beef in there, and these are the glass noodles, and comes with a side of rice and very fermented looking kimchi. This is radish style kimchi, which is my favorite. And the kind waitress came over and cut up the kimchi like this. I will now eat and dig in.
well, tell us something in Korean.
잘 먹었습니다.
Oh yes.
Or
Is that sign language?
Danica is from the Philippines. Natalie is Peruvian and Colombian.
Yes.
So we have a very diverse group of friends here. I would like to get... What is it called? Chingus. Chingu. Oh, Chingu. Oh, that's so cute. Let's get Danica's first reaction.
It's a good one. Where's my noodles?
Danica
give me noodles?
a very picky eater. She will not eat vegetables.
Actually, if you guys zoom in, some
Said vegetable is in there. Wait.
I'm a new woman.
Let's get Natalie's reaction. I think she likes it. I am going to interview Danica and Natalie. So what did you think about the
I'll
food?
show you what I thought. I really cleared this
The
plate.
aftermath. Mine was really good. We had to put a little more things in, but it tastes exquisite.
Exquisite.
It's very hearty.
Exquisite is an excellent word to use.
Exquisite.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I wanted to point out this is normal kimchi, which is fermented cabbage, usually accompanying Korean meals. And this is kimchi radish. It
also is fermented and it has a nice crunch to it. This isn't very slow English. I apologize.
We just finished our meal and it was quite a success. Everyone's bowl and plate is empty, and now I'm gonna go home and hopefully not sit in too much traffic because I have some work to do. And what are you gonna do tonight, Natalie?
So I'm gonna go out with my boyfriend and spend some time with him. What about you?
We're gonna watch. I'm trying to say in Spanish, but I forgot. Well, we're gonna watch Love Island.
Yeah, we're Love Island fans.
Isla del Amor.
Isla del Amor. Isla del Amor.
And yeah, and I'm gonna go home to my husband. And thanks for watching.
There we go. That's the damage. See, it looks like no one likes the veggies either.
I ate the most.
I ate the most.
Oh, you did good.
I did really good. Oh my god, I'm so proud of me.